everyone, and today we are going to learn about batteries. So basically how batteries are in an architecture to work properly. There are various series and parallel circuits to make a battery work properly. So starting from first battery, this is the main battery from where the source is going to go. Now we all know that current travels from negative to positive. So we are going to start a circuit from here. Now basically we are going to take this as one cell and this whole thing as one module. We are considering this as one module and this is like one cell. So like we have 24 modules over here. Now how we are going to connect this all and this is going to work, we are going to see here. So this is the starting point and there's one plate attached over here, including these three circuits. It's connected to here. Now this power is connected to this thing, these three things. There's a six hole plate over here. Now we have started a circuit from here. Now this is a series connection. Power is coming from here, it's traveling from here and from here. Now this whole thing is from series, but the cells connected inside this thing is parallel. We are going to add 6 level plates over here like this. Again 6 level plates over here like this. Same things goes for all the cells. Now to connect this cell to this cell, we can't use this square plates. Again we are going to use 6 module plates. Now in start I told you that this whole thing is going to be in series. So this connection is going from here, then from here, then from here and then here. This all thing is connected in series, but with a square type model. Basically, this is how the structure is going to look. Now, how it's going to flow energy from series to how it's going to complete the series, we're going to look. The power starts from here. Okay, the power is transferred in this cell, then in this cell, then over here, then here, and it goes from here to here. We can see that there is a series, and then like square type series over here. The power goes from here, and then again comes to here, and then again same thing. What happened in first part. And then again the power goes from down to up, and this is how the circuit is completed over here. Now we have seen the series. Now we are going to learn about this one module. So basically this module looks like this. There are 3 cells connected. Each one having negative, negative, negative and 3 positives. Okay? And basically this model, the voltage given over here is 3.2 for 3 cells. Like for one module. So 3.2 volts for one module. Okay? Now how many modules we have over here? It's 24 modules. So we are going to do 24 by 3. That is 72. 72 volt is the overall voltage in this cell. Ampere is given over here. 216 ampere is given over here. And as we all know, that whenever we are considering ampere in series circuit, ampere doesn't change. Ampere doesn't increases, neither it decreases when the circuit is connected in series. So ampere count we will count over here is 216. Now we are count the total number of series and parallel circuit, and that's the last part. Okay, so we have total in one cell, the cell is connected in parallel. This connection, this connection, this connection. This is a parallel circuit. So whatever we are considering as one module over here, that is parallel circuit over here. Okay. So total we have 24 modules over here. That means 24 parallel connections we have. And 24 series circuits. And this is how the battery works. Thank you. Now, as we have already seen the circuit diagram on the board, now we are going to see it practically. This is the main connection, which is connected to this thing. Now the screws are detached to explain it more furtherly. This thing transfer the power to here. As you can see, it is a six plate thing. it connects the two battery. We are considering three batteries as a one module. So this is a 6-hole plate, and it connects to this battery. Then this connection is converted to here. This connection to here, this connection to here, this connection to here, and same goes for here. Now the same thing is transferred in all the batteries, and the shape is like this. It goes from here, then here, here, then all the way to this thing, and again all the way through this thing. And it again comes back to this thing. Now this is the negative point. As you can see, black wire, it's a negative point. Both are black, but this is the negative part. The current is transferred from this whole thing, and it gets converted over here. And this power is then converted, then taken to the VCU. The 72 volt which you can see, it is taken to VCU. And as you can see over here, it is a parallel circuit. As you can see, it is a parallel circuit. One whole module is taken, has a connection in one series. This all things are series, and the three modules are parallel connections.